When they tell you Igbo man no fit be president, tell them that was in the olden days. Laye Odi. That was in the olden days. Right now, Peter Obi has cut into Kano, Katsina, Yobe, Gombe, Adamawa, Benue, Plateau. Everywhere now is Peter Obi. Tell them that was in the olden days. Now, Igbo man, na him be our next president. Take it to bank. And now, the vice president we are getting now is a radical one. Papasia. Now, to steal, he go hard APC. I'm sure a day after declaring Peter Obi, some politicians you see today, now one-way ticket, then go take run. Okay? That was in the olden days. Igbo man is coming. Save today's dates. Happy Easter.